Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Kia Optima. First, let's gather our essential tools and supplies. You will need about 5 quarts of new 5W20 or 5W30 synthetic motor oil, a new oil filter, and a fresh drain plug crush washer. Also, prepare a drain pan, a 17mm wrench for the drain plug, and an oil filter wrench. Don't forget a jack. Jack stands for safety, a funnel, and plenty of shop rags. Now let's get that old oil out. First, warm up your engine for about 5 minutes. This helps the oil flow more easily. Safely lift the front of your vehicle using a jack, then secure it firmly with jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan and position your drain pan directly underneath. Using a 17mm wrench, carefully remove the drain plug and let all the old oil drain out completely into the pan. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and fresh oil. Carefully remove the old oil filter using your oil filter wrench, then wipe the mounting surface clean. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about 3/4 of an additional turn. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to between 25 and 33 foot-pounds. Almost done. Safely lower your vehicle back to the ground. Now, using a funnel, add approximately 5 quarts of your new motor oil through the oil fill cap. Replace the cap, start your engine for a minute or two, and check underneath for any leaks. Turn off the engine, wait about 10 minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level with the dipstick. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old oil and filter at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.